What you need to calculate a function's slope from first principles can feel like grinding gears. Imagine trying to expand the expression x plus h to the power of 100. It's a mathematical nightmare. But calculus gives us a set of powerful shortcuts, starting with the most important one, the power rule. It turns hours of work into seconds. The rule is a simple two-step algorithm. Step 1, bring down. You multiply the front of the term by its current power. Step 2, subtract. You reduce that power by 1. So a term like x cubed becomes 3x squared. Easy. A constant like the number 8 isn't changing at all, so its derivative is simply 0. This power extends to long, messy polynomials. Thanks to a property called linearity, we can just break them down and differentiate them piece by piece. For an expression like 3x to the fourth minus 2x squared plus 5x, you just handle each term on its own. 3x to the fourth becomes 12x cubed, minus 2x squared becomes minus 4x, and 5x becomes 5. You stitch the results together for the final answer. But the real secret to unlocking differentiation is the golden rule. You must rewrite your function before you start. You can't directly differentiate things like square roots or fractions with x in the denominator. You have to convert them into index form first. The square root of x is really x to the power of 1/2. 1 over x is just x to the power of -1. Once they're in that standard power form, the power rule works its magic perfectly. These rules aren't just tricks, they are the fundamental engine of calculus. Master the process, rewrite, bring down, subtract, and you can find the rate of change for almost any function you'll ever encounter.